You might think, Alex, oh my God, real estate investing is complicated. Is it really? It could be, or it could be very simple as well. To simplify it, we buy an apartment, value add, refinance, get cash flow, and then sell the apartment one day, or you can hold it for eternity. But ultimately, when we're working with investors, we're not looking to hold an apartment complex for eternity. We're looking at buying and selling at a later time where all real estate eventually will increase in value. It's a matter of time when it does. And when it does, we'll capitalize on it, right? When you look at how complicated could it be? Well, if you are on the management side, it can get complicated. You have to look at the debt service ratio, the loan. Are you assuming a loan, right? The location, is it a great location? See, these are the things that we have to pay attention to as operators. How good is the location? Is it a growing location? Does the location have amenities where people want to move in? What about the apartment next door? How are they doing? Sometimes we forget to look at the people next door to see how they're doing. And you should go online to see what's good and what's bad about the area. Talk to the people. You go into the area we visited, Cincinnati, New Mexico, Omaha, Nebraska, just in the last 6 to 8 months to visit these places, Waco, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, just to see and talk to people whether or not they love where they live. They should love where they live. They should have pride in where they live. But as an investor, you should also love where you invest. But what it comes down to is really the returns, right? I understand. What are your goals? Every investor's goals are different. Some of you might be saving up for college for your kids. Some of you might be saving up for a car. Some of you might think, you know what? I let my real estate buy me a new phone every single year. Well, that's cool too. Whatever it may be, whatever your goals are, let's sit down and have a chat, because finding out what your goals are will allow me to know whether or not a certain real estate investment might be good for you. Are you looking for more heavily cash flow, where you need the money monthly, or are you looking for something that's going to appreciate over time and you don't need the cash flow as much right now? We can talk about the pros and cons of that, which one you should be choosing, right? We have some investors who are a little bit older, towards retirement, and they want that cash flow. So we put them in an asset that cash flows high but doesn't appreciate as high. Some people who are working class, they say, you know, Alex, I don't need the cash flow as much, but I love for it to push and appreciate. Well, we have assets who are doing that as well. All right, we can figure out exactly what your needs are by looking at your goals. That's what we like to do on our discovery call. You ever want to hop on a discovery call to talk about real estate and how to invest? Hit me up. We'll talk soon.